Welcome, man. I finally got my authorization from Chrysler to replace the valve body. I need a valve body. Make sure y'all watch part 1 to find out why I need a valve body. All right. So without further ado, man, let's get straight to it. Let's get this valve body replaced. All right, first thing we want to do is to drain as much fluid as possible, as much as you can get out. Next, let's keep it going, man. Let's get this transmission pan off, because what we're going to need to do now is turn this harness connector counterclockwise and use a suitable pry bar to remove the retaining clip. From there, just push the connector down. Now we can remove the transmission pan. All right, it's time for the valve body bolts. I think there's a total of 10 torque bits valve body bolts holding it on. Let's get all of them removed, because what we're going to do now is grab a suitable pry bar and we're going to slowly but surely pry the valve body off of the transmission case. Now don't be too alarmed. Some of the transmission tubes, transfer tube may come out with it. That's perfectly okay. We will just assemble them on the new valve body when we get to the table. All right. Now, slowly, it's not time to take the valve body out completely yet, because what we're going to have to do now is remove the mounting screw holding the transmission range sensor. All right. Now, I had to end up using a real thin T27 torque. Okay, let's get that out the way. Now, we need to remove the mounting screw holding the speed sensor. Okay, it's also a torque bit. Once we get that unscrewed, you need to slowly but surely and gently pull the speed sensor connector out of its place. And from there, ladies and gentlemen, it's simply time to remove the complete valve body. All right, take that to a nice clean area, clean surface, clean table, because what we're going to do now is just simply transfer the transmission wire harness to the new valve body. All right, there's nothing to it. I think it's held on by 3 torque bits, torque screws. All right, so here's my brand new 9-speed valve body. All right, just simply get this unwrapped, set it on the table. Like I said, remove the transmission wiring harness from the old valve body. Simply connect it to the new valve body. And we're almost there, y'all. Simply install the 3 screws holding the wiring harness onto the valve body. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You have just replaced your 9-speed transmission valve body. Well, see, I told you, man, it wasn't that bad. I got the valve body replaced. Quick learn all the adapters, test drove. Car is perfect. Check the fluid properly. Fluid got to be checked properly. I got another video. Well, I'll make a video on that, checking fluid properly, all right? But other than that, this car is a wrap, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.